If you haven't done so already, please watch the electron configuration part 1 of the video in order to understand this portion. We're going to dive straight into the electron configuration of transitional element. So transitional elements are the ones that are going to be most likely in the D block. It's going to involve the D orbital. We have only gone over the ones that involve just the S and the P. Let's dive into manganese, Mn. How do we write the electron configuration for manganese? We start from the hydrogen here, and then we work our way all the way to manganese in writing each of the electron configuration. So let's start off with hydrogen over here, and it passes the helium. So this is 1s2 again. So 1s2. Then it goes into the next level, which is the 2s, and it passes 2. So 2s2. Then it'll need to pass all of here. This is 2p, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 2p6. Next, on the third row, we have our sodium, and it's going to pass magnesium as well. This is 3s1 and 2. So that's 3s2. Then it's going to pass all of these guys. That's 3p6. Next row is the 4s. So 4s2. And then there's going to be a count from here all the way up to manganese. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're on the D block now. So it's 3D, and I said that was 1, 2, 5. Pretty long electron configuration, right? Now we're going to try for palladium, PD. So where is PD? It's located in number 46, right here. So you will have to write starting from here again, all the way up to PD. Now I'm going to give you, I will write just up to 4S, and then it will go on from there. So as you can see, I wrote it all the way up to 4s2, okay? And then we need to cross this entire 3D, and there are 10 blocks. So this is 3D 10. 3D 10. So this is all filled up. Now we need to go into gallium, and then we go into 4P, not 3, but rather 4P. P1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 4P6. And then you go into the next row, which is 5S2. And then the next one, we go into the D block, and then that's 4D, and then palladium is right here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the last one. Okay, so these are the transition metals. It does get pretty long. Now there is krypton in here. This is not a transitional element. It's part of the main group element. It's a halogen gas. I wanted you to try the electron configuration for this one because it does involve the 3D. So try this and come back and check the key. And here is a key. So please note that starting from 4S, this is 4S2, and it goes through the 3D. So this is 3D 10. Then it goes all the way up to where krypton is. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4P6. That's the very last one. Now to write this all the time, especially say you're looking for radon, okay, you're going to have to write a whole lot just to get to that very last portion. There is an abbreviation form, okay? And the abbreviation form, you write the noble gas. You look at the noble gas right before the element hits. So for example, here's manganese. What is the noble gas right before it? Okay, the noble gas right before it is argon. So you would write a bracket argon. So that's what it's saying. Write the noble gas symbol that precedes the elements you're looking for. Then you write the rest of the configuration. So this bracket represents all the way up to 3p6. So argon over here goes only up to 3p6. And then we write the rest, which is the 4s2 and the 3d5. So palladium, this will have a bracket. So the noble gas before would be krypton. So Kr. And you write the rest of the electron configuration. 5s2 and 4d8. Why krypton? Because palladium is located on number 46 here, right? Here. And then the noble gas before is krypton. So you write krypton and then you write the 5s2 and then the 4d8. So you're going to try for these two elements. Try to write the long version form and the abbreviation form and come and check the key. And here is the key. Now, rubidium Rb right here isn't a transitional element, but I did put it in there because it does cross the entire 3D.